How much should you actually spend on a portable air conditioner? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Today, we're cutting through the noise to show you 5 real options that actually deliver cool air without the window hassle. Product number 3, evaporative Compact Desk Cooler. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for small spaces, the evaporative Portable Cooler. At just $91, it's the most affordable here, but don't let the price fool you. This little guy packs a 1,700 ml tank and 120 degrees oscillation, perfect for desk or bedside use. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's a true 3-in-1 fan, humidifier, and mini AC when you add ice. With 3 fan speeds and 2 mist levels, you can fine-tune your comfort. The 14-hour runtime on low mist means you fill it once and forget it. And at under 40 dB, it's quiet enough for focused work or sleep. The remote and touch controls make it super convenient. Now some people complained about weak airflow, only 123 CFM, which won't cool a whole room. Here's the thing though, this isn't meant to replace an AC, it's for personal cooling like sitting at your desk or sleeping next to it. For that purpose, it works great. This is perfect for you if you need a personal cooler for your office desk, nightstand, or small bedroom. Skip this one if you're trying to cool a large space. For under $100, it's a steal for targeted relief. Product number 4, PNTCK High Capacity Powerhouse. Now, if evaporativ's small coverage left you wanting more, the PNTCK cooler brings serious capacity. At $114, it features a massive 2.1-gallon tank and over 2,200 CFM airflow, one of the strongest here. If you want industrial-level cooling without industrial noise, this one's impressive. The triple-sided cooling pads and ice pack compatibility mean rapid chill, even in extreme heat. The 12-hour timer and whisper-quiet 30 dB sleep mode make it ideal for families or light sleepers. Plus, the 110 degrees vertical and 80 degrees horizontal oscillation ensures no hot spots. Now, some people complained about the size. It's bulky and not easy to move around. It's built for performance, not portability. This is perfect for you if you have a large bedroom or open living space and want powerful, quiet cooling. Skip this one if you need something you can easily carry between rooms. For the airflow and runtime, it's a top-tier choice. Product number 5, Bridgen Mini LED Cooler. Finally, if you're on a tight budget, the Bridgen Mini Cooler at just $38 is hard to ignore. It's the cheapest here with a 1,000 ml tank, 7-color LED lights, and remote control. If you want a fun, personal cooler for under $50, this might be your pick. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's a 3-in-1 with fan, humidifier, and AC modes. Add ice cubes and it gives a noticeable chill for personal use. The dual ultrasonic atomizers create fine mist, and the 6-8-hour runtime is solid for the price. The remote and touch controls are surprisingly responsive, and the LEDs add a cool ambience, great for kids' rooms or dorms. Now, some people complained about weak cooling power. It won't drop room temps much. Here's the thing though, at this price, you're not getting a room cooler. You're getting a personal fan with mist. For that, it's actually really good. This is perfect for you if you're a student, live in a mild climate, or just need a backup cooler. Skip this one if you expect real AC level cooling. For under $40, it's a fun, functional bargain. So which one should you buy? For big rooms and dry climates, go with CNSDCH or PNTCK. For personal use or small spaces, evaporative or Bridgen are great. And if you want smart features and quiet operation, MYICY is a bold new pick. Each has trade-offs, but all 5 actually work. Just match the right one to your space and needs.